Hello all traders, today is Thursday 30th of January 2025 and we're going to look at the trades that we have taken on Nasdaq, Dow Jones and S&P 500 futures and CFDs. If you look at the 1 hour macro chart, we see that the price was fluctuating above the previous day close on all E-minis and retested the previous level and got rejected during the London session and retested this again pre-market and finally dropped significantly with the news release, and then the buyers came back and it got recovered. And if you look at the 10-minute macro chart, we see that after New York market opening, the price started to go up a little bit and found a support, and then buyers came back and pushed the price higher. So our plan of action for today was to wait for this volatility to calm down, and when the price finds the support and then buyers come back, we take long position in a well-established uptrend. So that's what happened, and when the price went down and these buyers came back from here around 10:30 and pushed the price higher, this wave of uptrend was taken on Nasdaq with setup B with 2 positions and multiple long position also at the same time with micro S&P 500 contracts with setup B and C, and all the signals were copied by copy trader to multiple Apex Trader funding accounts, and you see performance on one of these accounts here that shows it was positive with profit factor of 99, which is infinite because the win rate was 100% from the 8 long positions taken. But we can see that the average winning trades were 151 and the largest winning trade was $580. So that was the summary of the trades we have taken on the futures prop firm accounts. And on the CFD prop firm account, these are the list of trades we have taken. We took 5 positions on Nasdaq, S&P 500 and Dow Jones close to the end of market that you see entry and exits, and they were all positive. So our total balance is now $61.92 with the profit factor of 2.94. And you see here the equity curve that is going up consistently from yesterday, which was $38, to today, which is around $62. So we gained about $20 on this 5K CFD prop firm accounts, which is equivalent to $1,200 on the 300K futures prop firm account. So this shows that from the 106 trades taken so far, we had 86 winners that resulted in 81% win rate. You can see here the equity curve that is growing with the percentage of the drawdown, and as I mentioned, we managed to keep this drawdown below 0.5%, which is 10 times less than the 5% requirement for the daily loss by this prop firm. So hope this trade taken by the PAAT system for fast scalping on the futures prop firm accounts and also a small CFD prop firm account is useful for you, and let us know if you have any questions. Have a wonderful day.